Our modern industry faces the challenge of managing hundreds of millions of pieces of technical equipment. Our solution? QR codes. But not just any kind of QR codes. We are talking about QR codes that comply with the DIN EN IEC 614061 standard. What does this standard mean? Each pump is given its own globally valid ID. This ID is attached directly to the pump in the form of a digitally readable nameplate with a QR code. Following the link within the QR code with any mobile device takes users to a web portal containing all the important documents, links, and information about the pump in their history. The documents contain everything about the design, installation, commissioning, operating, cleaning, inspection, maintenance, and repair of the pump. This form of documentation enables those responsible to find the required documents quickly. There is also a link to the Dickow spare parts portal, where the spare parts for the respective pump and their availability are displayed directly. This step towards digitalization creates a relevant benefit for everyone who has anything to do with the pump over time. Dealers can call up information centrally in one place and pass it on or use it internally for sales and logistics. Engineers can obtain instructions and manuals for storage, design, installation, and commissioning. Maintenance personnel can scan the QR code to digitally display all documentation, maintenance, and safety instructions for this pump, regardless of whether they work on this pump frequently, regularly, or only once, and thus directly obtain the necessary overview to enable good service. Thanks to QR codes in accordance with DIN EN IEC 614061, the identification of Dickow pumps is simpler, more efficient, and globally standardized.